Blessed. Once again, you are the mix up. Okay. So today we're gonna talk about this is what we're going to talk about today. The brain and how the brain function and how it make our body function. It's enough of time we don't realize that more time our body go into autopilot. And when we're in autopilot, that's where we bring up a lot of stuff that not running right. So it make us don't feel good, it give us bad symptoms, it make us feel headache, you might feel down and you don't know what's going on. That's the autopilot is what is running. So you have to reprogram the autopilot. So for who don't understand what I'm saying now, right? It's more time when you're there and you're just thinking all type of nonsense, all type of stuff, and you're just thinking, and you just can't think and you wonder what's going on. That's the autopilot that is running. You understand? Now you have to subconsciously come back to yourself, conscious, to put it back in alignment with yourself. You understand? So you can bring and surface your own thoughts. Because in an autopilot, all these other things, in life where you experience and where you don't like and these things register. So if you have your autopilot thinking of pure negativity, when your autopilot kick in, I just peer that it surface. And that's where the problem comes in. So you don't want that. You want to change that vibes. So what you do, you start to reprogram yourself, feel good about yourself, start tell yourself, say you love yourself, start tell yourself, say you're one with yourself and you want the best for yourself because you are love, you are joy. You understand what I say? And start think positive. So your brain can register and re-pave out the all thoughts them and all program them when you put in your brain. So you start get enlightened. And then when you start reprogram yourself now, when that program start kicking now, when you're going to autopilot, all you think about is just positiveness. You keep your focus, your autopilot just keep them on a positiveness. And that now bring everything within line within you. You understand what I say? It's a lot to learn. You understand what I say? I had the mix up, just go and big up yourself, Yeah. Peace, I'm out.